Whoa. Yaydaytv! Woo! What's up, Yayday team? Yayday Princess here. Is this your first time hanging out with us? What's up? We like to hang out every Friday and Sunday, aka #FunDays. And what do we like to do on #FunDays? Well, we usually open crazy fake toys. But today, it's our LOL surprise subscription box. Woo! It finally came. So exciting. The picture on the front looks amazing. And all the dolls look amazing too. It says LOL surprise outrageous. So, what did we get? Whoa. It looks like a neon, or I guess light speed. See, it says glow on. And we got a ton of blind bags. We got not one, not two, not three, but 6 giant blind bags. And one tiny one. Let's do the tiny one first. Ooh, it's a drag racer pin. And it says Electric Dreams. What's next? Ooh, it's tattoos. Ooh, I see splatters. And I see drag racer. But she looks completely different. I already checked and they're not glow in the dark. Dang it. What else did we get? Ooh, it's a bright neon yellow shirt and VR cuties on the front. But look at the back. Love it! It's super bright and it says Spring Fling in hot pink. I know. Perfect. Did we get something that matches our shirt? We got an LOL book. It's a poster! It's so cool. It looks just like the front of our box. Yoo-hoo! Next blind bag. This one's huge. We got a water bottle. And it says pool party. It's so shiny. At first, I had no idea what this was. But it's a pillowcase. And it's super cool looking. It's got splatters and neon cutie. And it says Electric Dreams. And the back kind of looks like the box. LOL surprise surrounded by children. Bring in our last and biggest blind bag. It's our very first LOL surprise umbrella. And it's neon pool party themed. What do you think? I love it. Well, we didn't do what we usually do. But these are pretty awesome. If you want your own LOL subscription box, there will be a link in the description. I will say I am a little sad that we didn't get a toy, but maybe next time. So what do you guys think about our LOL sub box? You can let me know over on Instagram, over on Facebook, or on both, of course. Thank you so much for switching things up with me today, guys. Who is the best? You are the best. Better than the rest. Taking the test. Remember to like, share, comment, and join the Yayday team. You know what time it is. It's flip time, flip time, flip time, flip time, flip time, flip time, flip flip. What's up, Yayday team? What? What's up, Yayday team? Oh, it's stickers or tattoos. Sorry. It's got splatters and neonlicious. Bring in our last and biggest blind bag.